these are the answers for it. So for number 2, the direction says to graph, solve by graphing. Okay, and the equation was x squared plus 5x equals to 0. Is it, or plus 5 only? First, just like you did, we find axis of symmetry. So x equals to negative b over 2a. So that is negative 1 times, there's no b at all, so we give it a 0 over 2 times 1. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So your axis of symmetry, like here, see, it's at 0. That's your axis of symmetry. Then you find your vertex, right? Your vertex, x is 0, y is 5. So really this 0, they're saying y, same thing as y. So if x is squared is 0 plus 5, and that's your y, so input that to 0 there. 0 squared plus 4, y is 5, right? So the vertex is 0, 5. It's where the graph shows it at 0, 5. It's 2, 4, 6, so that's 5 right there. And then from there, the only way you know how to graph is to make a table. Make a table value x. And what would y be? So if x is 1, if x is 1, y would be 6. So x is 1, y is 6. And on the other side, so on and so forth. And you do 2, same thing, right? X is 2, so be 1 squared plus 5, that makes it 9. 2, 9, 6, 8, 9. And on the other side, and you have your parabola like that. Okay, now this one on number 4, notice the answer, the x, there's 2 solutions right there where x is 2 and where x is negative 2. So this graph is called a no solution. This is 2 solution. So first the equation is 2x squared minus 8 equals 0. Okay, so axis of symmetry, x equals negative b over 2a. Okay, and there's no b, so negative 1 times 0 divided by 2 times 2. No matter what is 0, right? Notice the axis of symmetry is at 0. What's y then if that's the case? 2x squared minus 8 equals to y, right? Put 0 in there, 0 minus 8. Y then is negative 8. The vertex then is 0, negative 8. That's how we got there, by 2 each. And then you make a table of values of your x and y. And then you go, okay, well, what if x is 1? So it would be 2 times 1 squared minus 8 is negative 6. So 1 is negative 6, which is there. And then this has 2 solutions, right? And x is 2. Get you 0. 2, 0 right there. And the other one's there. That's a 2 solution. Okay? And this also has 2 solutions. So that's how you do these. 6 and then 8. For now, that's how you do them. Without using, without solving, right? It says solve each equation by graphing. And the other one is like that. And let's see, where's the graphing? Okay. And on that page, on number 1 on the back side, okay, that problem is graph each function labeled axis of symmetry and the vertex. Well, you've been doing those. Y equals 2. This looks like the wrong answer. It's facing down when it x squared minus 4. This is the wrong graph. Okay, 2 looks right. And 3 looks right. Make sure you know how to do 3 because that's what's gonna be on your test. Okay, number 1 is the wrong graph. Axis of symmetry. That's spelled wrong. Okay, if x is 0, y is negative 4. Vertex. Yeah, this one is incorrect. Huh. Let's see if I can move it somehow. Yeah. Delete it. How do I delete that? Oh, I see. Delete. Come on, it won't delete. Anyways, it's wrong. So you guys know how to graph the rest. Make a table. There's 2 solutions. You know, that's 2, negative 2, right? But anyways, number 3 is a test question. Make sure you know how to do it. I need to remember that and go over it in class tomorrow for number 2. Okay. And hopefully that helps.